Hey loves, in today's video, I'm reviewing the Beauty Glazed Color Fusion Eyeshadow Palette. It has 40 brightly colored matte and shimmer shadows. I used the Color Fusion palette to create this easy, dark-toned fall look. I purchased the Beauty Glazed Color Fusion Eyeshadow Palette from the Mayuango store on Amazon for $10. The mattes are gorgeous. They are so bright and vibrant. The shimmers are bright as well, but they didn't excite me as much. That's why I went with a relatively all matte look for today's tutorial. I am applying this purple shadow directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using the Energy 125. To darken my lid shadow, I am applying the Milani Shadow Eyes pencil in Royal Purple as a base. This purple is so pretty, and that Milani pencil really deepened the color to my liking. It gave the top of my eye a nice gradient. I am gently tapping that shadow onto my base with the Nicka round eyeshadow brush. For my brow bone highlight, I am applying the LA Colors highlighter in shade Shine Bright using the Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. For my liner, I created my wing using the LA Colors eye marker. Then I applied the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in Crystal Silk right above it. To prep for my false lash application, I am applying a thin coat of the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes mascara. I am wearing my favorite lashes, the Ioni Wispy Natural Short Individuals, and they are sold at Dollar Tree. Moving down to my lower lash line, I am applying this beautiful greenish blue color using my Energy 111. To achieve a gradient blend, I am taking this bright neon blue and blending out my first shadow with the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro 11. I use the Nicka black eye pencil on my waterline. Now I'm highlighting my inner corner with the Revlon Color Charge Loose Powder in the shade Gold Dust using the BH Cosmetics V9. Here's the completed look. I absolutely love how this came out. These colors go so well together, and that glitter liner added a subtle touch of glam that just completes it. I really enjoyed using the Beauty Glazed Color Fusion palette. I will have the palette linked in the description. I will also list all of the other products that I used to create this look. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see another Amazon eyeshadow palette review, click the video on the left. If you would like to watch my most recent upload, click the video on the right. And until next time, bye loves!